This is the story of NG for last 15 years. Now just I have drawn it for you. You can see this is where the consolidation happened for for last 10 years between $2 levels to $5 levels. It just precisely traded in this zone, and this time it is achieved a high at $9 levels. You can find why $9 are pretty important. See, these months in 2005 2008 provided again a stronger resistance. Also, this is also the channel low. See, previously lower lows are being seen here, and you can find this time again it is trying to trade at the lower side of this channel, and the slope is downwards. However, look at this also on this zone. You can find this was the consolidation zone in which ND had traded for months and years, that is between 6 to $9 levels. So that is what is happening right now. It is given a breakout of this zone, $2 to $5 levels, a stronger breakout. Now the support on the monthly chart is here at around $6 levels. With that as support, it is given a breakout. See, I have told you previously it is trading in this bullish channel for time being. $9 levels definitely should be a very strong resistance. Also, if you look at the size of the candle, see the previous 2 months candle size here, you can find that the body size has increased, leaving it a previous candle. See, this was the flat top, flat bottom, and this time this it left a upper shadow with a larger body, indicating that more bullishness is here. Also, the channel bottom is definitely there at $6.5 levels, which that we have seen a good rise. Now look at the high is definitely at around $9 levels. It is trying to feel shy of, or it is trying to remain shy of that. But at the same time, one must not forget that the body size has to be, see, this is almost from $2 levels move we have seen. So from here, if it is not $2 levels, we have to expect that it is going to definitely remain at least a dollar, and that is where the $8 levels are also providing it a very strong support for any downward move now. So probably next week it may try to trade in this zone, but this is just on the monthly charts and the larger picture. Now coming back to the daily candle, on the daily candles you'll find, see, this was the bull run, a rise, retracement, higher highs, and almost parallel lows. So see, this is still trying to trade within this, but this time it failed to go past, and the higher highs are not done. It is failed to stay above this zone and probably trying to look downwards again. Also look at this, this is where the reversal has been seen, and the high for this is probably at around $8.4 level. So yes, a rise beyond 8.4 is a confirmation that probably it may try to rise again. Also look at this, the near term time frame chart. See, it is trying to trade in this. The support here at 7.8 is going to be stronger, and the resistance here at $8.2 levels is going to be stronger too. So yes, if it rises beyond 8.2 next time, if you see it trading beyond $8.2 levels, 8.25 rather, you can go long for 8.4 levels, which is going to be a further strong support, and then 8.5. Beyond that, we can see it achieving higher highs on these charts, and 8.8 levels cannot be denied here. So I'll be watchful. At the same time till the time it trades below $8, if it breaks below $8 levels, so you have to go short and expect that it may try to come back till towards 7.8 7.75 levels, and below that we can expect a sharper drop. So this is what we can see on the daily charts, higher lows, higher highs, and yes, probably trying to trade in this channel. This time it has achieved the lows there, and almost with the flat bottom it is trying to rise again. So yes, as we said, lower highs on this is also representative that probably it may fail to break $8.4 levels in the future there. Coming back to the weekly, see, on the weekly chart, $6.5 levels definitely a stronger support, which we saw last week a stronger drop, and the monthly candle has with that formed a stronger bearish or stronger tail there on the monthly candle. Now look at this on the weekly charts. If you find, this was the breakout here, it tried to remain above these levels, and now trying to trade bullish. However, it failed to go past this zone at 8.5. Next week, yes, if you see it trading above 8.2, yes, you can go long again for 8.5 and 8.7. In fact, it can try to hit towards 8.8 levels before it looks forward to any further drop. Also, it can give you a stronger, see, one thing we should remember, see the type of the candle here, same bigger body size, bigger upper wick, upper shadow, and the bigger body size and a smaller upper wick and the smaller body size here. So it is trying to consolidate, and yes, a drop below 7.4 is the confirmation that it is going to drop again. Till the time it trades above 7.4, I will not recommend you to go short. At the same time, for the next week itself, it can try to retrace, and yes, if you see it trading below 7.8, yes, there also you can go short, or rather you can go short at $8 levels itself. Below $8 levels we can see it coming towards 7.8, and below that we can see a sharper drop. Above 8.2, yes, it can try to rise again till towards 8.4 first target, 8.55 next target, 8.7 and 8.8 the next target. But this is just on the candlestick charts. Let's have a look with the help of indicators, what the indicators are suggesting. See, indicators on the daily chart, 7.8, this is the 20 period moving average, which will definitely provide it a stronger support in case of a drop there, and below that we may see it coming till towards 7.6. Below that we can expect a sharper drop till towards 7.2 levels. However, till the time it trades above 7.8, one can expect 8.4, 8.5 levels. Also look at the directional movement is bullish and trying to converge. The stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. And yes, the MACD is trading in a sell but running parallel, and RSI is flat there, not showing any more strength. If you look at the weekly charts, on the weekly charts you will find that there is a support here at $6 levels, definitely a very strong support. And yes, it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands, which is also giving it a fairly strong resistance for any upside move, and hence 8.6, 8.8 zone should not be breached. Yes, if it does, we may see strong bullishness. Directional movement is still bullish, and it is trading with flat, no more divergence. Yes, weekly charts, the stochastic is trying to cross over again for a buy or for a bullish move. Directional movement, MACD is wide divergent and is still bullish, and it can continue to trade with this. A probable convergence for a couple of candles cannot be said. Look at the RSI is again come back to the overbought levels. Also look at this, how we have seen RSI performing here, lower highs and this time a further lower high. So I'll be cautious with this. It is trying to narrow it up before it looks forward to a drop there. So this is just on the weekly charts. Coming back to the monthly candle, on the monthly candle, see, the supports there on the downside are very far away, while most of the indices are trading below the 100 period moving average. Now it is trying to this is the commodity which is trying to trade above, far above, in the above the 100 week average. And yes, this is the only commodity which is trading with a strong bullishness right now. Look at the directional movement. Directional movement is still bullish. The stochastic is overbought on the monthly chart. The MACD is wide and divergent. Next month probably it may start to converge, but this month it is wide and divergent. Also look at this. This is overbought, and whenever we have seen NG going overbought, it has dropped a little. And similarly, we may see also long on the long term charts. We have seen $9 levels, definitely a very strong support resistance, and hence it may try to sustain those levels, sustain below those levels. Considering everything, let me give you the trading levels for next. Before we proceed to the trading levels, if you want to gain the same expertise and understanding of markets and chart, and if you want to understand the strategies to make profit, you can join my mentorship batch. The 11th batch is starting on 6th of June. You can be part of it, and definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my free Telegram group and the VIP signals group, which will definitely the trades provided will help you gain strongly. So yes, you can be part of it. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And now let's talk about the levels to go long. So yes, I will recommend you to go long even if you see it at 8.22 levels. Yes, you can go long there. The next target is 8.36, 8.42, and then beyond that we may see it coming till towards 8.5. Till here it can find a stronger resistance, but after this it will directly fly till towards 8.65, 8.76 levels. I don't expect that it may try to breach this levels at 8.6. Below, beyond this we can say sky is the limit, and which is around at $9. Beyond that it can fly strongly on the upside. On the downside, if you see, I'll recommend you to go short at 7.95. If you see it trading at 7.95, you can go short. The next target is 7.8, very far away, but yes, that is the probable target once it trades below $7.8, $7.95. And yes, after 7.8 we see this level at 7.8 should provide a stronger support for NG for any downside move. If it does, then it will directly lend to 7.6. After that 7.51 will come into picture, and then 7.42. Below that it can try to come back till towards $7.2 level. So yes, take your positions accordingly. Always keep shifting your stop loss to cost once your trade is in profit. Always keep booking your profits once first milestone or first target is achieved, such that in the event of a sharp return, sharp reversal, you do not first thing is that shifting the stop loss to cost will help you preventing to incur any losses, and you will close at cost. At the same time, if you close it in the position is in little profit, definitely it ensures, if it is not a wider profit but yes a little profit day on day basis, will definitely will fill the complete wealth and trade accordingly. So do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.